We're backstage, day one, door-to-door con. It's freaking epic. Mike Posner, Erwin McManus, Harry Mack, all these amazing speakers, Golden Door Awards, Hall of Fame Awards, workshops, and we're about to get started, so come with me, come on.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Today we get to honor some amazing individuals that have really put the blood, sweat, and tears, so I want all the energy. In pest control, we've had to raise the bar every other year. In solar, we've raised the bar. In roofing, we'll continue to raise the bar. This is a double golden door right here.
Here to create a life that inspires you. Some of your issues, not all of you, but some of your issues is your goals are not big enough.
Our greatness will be dependent on your ability to communicate.
There we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
In terms of building a team and figuring out how to actually not just be a musician, right, but actually be the owner of a company, everything has been completely freestyle.
Ceiling can't hold us.